Salmon fillets topped with ginger, garlic, chili sauce, and a sprinkle of dark brown sugar. Wait for it, ready in 10. You gotta make our easy baked salmon. We're up here doing a retreat at Carol's Cottage and we were like, what should we eat? Great thing about this, you can have it for lunch or dinner. 2 easy steps, ready in under 10. Watch this. Turn your oven on to 450 degrees. Place 2 8-ounce fillets of salmon onto a foil-lined baking tray topped with parchment paper. Grab a couple of cloves of garlic and a knob of ginger, roughly chop them, then place them into a small bowl along with 1 tablespoon of sriracha or garlic chili sauce plus 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And that's the tough part. All you got to do is stir it together. Now spoon it onto the salmon fillets, then sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar. Do a pass of freshly cracked black pepper. Transfer the salmon to the oven. Watch closely. You need to bake it for somewhere between 8 to 10 minutes. Comes out of the oven. Look how delicious. Serve with equally easy sides like our beautiful oven roasted bok choy or a simple steamed rice. Yep, your next meal can be this easy and delicious. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe. Look for this video and many more on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Then finally, take a picture of this beautiful meal when you make it. Post it on your favorite socials. Simply hashtag weekendatthecottage when you do on Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Easy baked salmon? Remember how I said it was delicious? Sure is. Gosh, is this ever good? Enjoy.